In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to display posts of a specific category in WordPress. We'll walk through each step to ensure that by the end of this tutorial, you'll be able to highlight the content that matters most to your audience. First, we're going to kick things off by heading over to wordpress.com. If you're not already logged in, go ahead and click on the login button. Now this will bring up a few options for signing in. We're going to use Google for this. Simply click continue with Google. This option is convenient if your site is linked to a Google account, and it's both quick and secure. Once you click it, you'll be prompted to choose the Google account associated with your WordPress site. Go ahead and select the right account to proceed. Now that we're logged in, what we want to do is navigate to the section where we manage posts. You can do this by clicking on posts from your WordPress dashboard. This area is where you can view all your existing posts, and it gives you the tools to organize them efficiently. Next, we need to focus on categories, so click on categories. In this section, you'll see a list of all your categories, and you can manage them by setting the desired category as your default. This is done by selecting Set as Default on the category you want to highlight. Setting a default category is particularly useful for sites with a wide array of topics. Making your chosen category the default ensures that it gets attention first. Once that's done, go to your site. You'll find the option to do this at the top of the ribbon. Clicking on Visit Site allows you to see your live website just as your visitors do, which can be very helpful for ensuring everything looks just right. With the site view open, turn your attention to the top ribbon again and click on Edit Site. This will give you access to the site editor where you can customize the appearance of your posts. We'll want to add a section for categories, so head to the top left of the editor and hit Add. Type in category in the search bar. This search function makes it much easier to find the widget you're looking for without having to scroll through everything manually. Finally, when you see categories list, click on it. This action will display your default category right there on your site, along with its posts. It's a straightforward way to ensure that visitors can quickly find posts in your chosen category, enhancing their browsing experience and drawing their attention to the content you want to emphasize. And there you have it, a simple yet effective way to showcase posts from a specific category on your WordPress site, all done in just a few easy steps. Thanks for watching, and don't hesitate to leave any questions in the comments below.